the recording also now, and this question number 20, practical question number 20, we are solving so that we come to know the exact method of solving a full length question. This full length question will be asked for 6 marks in the exam, board exam also, and in different exams also. So Kus, start solving the question. This is given in the book. First is balance. I have told you to write it from the receipt and payment account. Then outstanding subscription of the previous year. Then land 50,000, furniture 15,000. Land, investment. Investment is 50,000. Keep your cameras on. Ans, Ravi, Pius, Prince Rotela, Shruti, और देखिए प्रिंस रोतेला, और देखिए कौन सा पॉइंट. Any other point can you find? ये तो हो गए आपके असेट साइड. क्या पिछले साल कोई लायबिलिटी भी थी? पॉइंट एडजस्टमेंट में देखिए, रेंट इंक्लूड 900 पेड फॉर लास्ट ईयर. पिछले साल का 900 रेंट इस साल पे किया है, तो पिछले साल आउटस्टैंडिंग रहा होगा रेंट. आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट. देन देयर इज टोटल करिए. We will total it. How much is the total, Shekhar? 15,000. 1,15,000 इस 1,24,200. 1,24,200 is the total of asset side, minus 900. Answer 1,23,300. All the assets are totaled. उसमें से आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट 900 माइनस 1,23,300. ये हमारी ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट बन गई और उसमें हमारा कैपिटल फंड आ गया. आपके 2 नंबर हो गए यहां पर और 1.5 marks for making opening balance sheet. Ans, are you writing? Shruti, Devang, keep your cameras on. Piyush also. बार बार तुम्हें बताना पड़ रहा है. Devang and Shruti and Jasanjeet. Now what we will make? Prince Rotella will tell me the income side of income and expenditure account, and Ansika will tell me expenditure side of income and expenditure account. I am preparing, but side by side, before me, you also prepare. Side by side, you also prepare. सबसे पहले आ जाते हैं सब्सक्रिप्शन। Subscription received is 40,000. Advance received 600. Outstanding subscription of previous year 3,200. Outstanding subscription of the current year given here. Subscription outstanding of current year 4,500. $40,700 is the total subscription of the current year. 40,700. सब्सक्रिप्शन के बाद आ जाइए इंटरेस्ट। बैंक इंटरेस्ट, लाइफ मेंबरशिप फीस आपको पता है बैलेंस शीट में आएगी, लायबिलिटी साइड। एंड सेल ऑफ फर्नीचर, फर्नीचर 5,000 का था, 2,400 में बेचा, तो ये तो लॉस हो गया, इसको इधर लिख देंगे। $2,600 का लॉस हो रहा है फर्नीचर को बेचने में। सैलरी, रेंट, पिछले साल का रेंट आउटस्टैंडिंग था ₹900 पिछले साल का रेंट आउटस्टैंडिंग माइनस एंड इस साल का मार्च मंथ का रेंट आउटस्टैंडिंग प्लस 13,000। 13,300 minus 900, 13,300 minus 900, how much, Sekhar? 13,300 minus 900, Piyush, how much? 13,300 minus 900. संस्कार, $13,300 minus 900, how much? Postage, stationery, स्टेशनरी में भी ₹250 आउटस्टैंडिंग है। स्टेशनरी बाइसिकल, बाइसिकल हमारी एसेट है, वी विल शो इट इन द बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड। गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स आर आल्सो आवर एसेट्स, वो भी हमारी शो होंगे बैलेंस शीट में एसेट साइड में। अब आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, टोटल करना है इधर, और आपको निकालना है सरप्लस टोटल ऑफ दिस साइड to surplus. Surplus will be carried to the balance sheet and will be added to capital fund. Is it clear, Prince? सरप्लस कितना आ रहा है? Surplus of 15,150 will be added to the capital fund in the balance sheet. Will be added to capital fund in the balance sheet. Everything is clear in this? I hope this is clear to you. After this, you have to prepare the closing balance sheet. And in that closing balance sheet, this surplus will be added to capital fund. Other items, you know what you have left in this. Quickly, you prepare it fast and you will show me like this. Everybody will show me just now the closing balance sheet. This is a very, very important chapter. Please don't take it lightly. It is also of 10 marks. It is also of 10 marks. So you have to see that the chapter goes on well. Keep your cameras on, Sanskar. Jasanjeet. Make the closing balance sheet. This one is the balance sheet. This one is the income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account for this particular year 2019, and you can see salaries, rent, postage, all these things are there. So this question is of 6 marks. This is question number 20. Practical question number 20. It is practical question number 20, which we have solved, and all the points covered in this. We have left out very importantly life membership fees, because it will be treated as capital receipt and it will be shown in balance sheet liability side. We have also left bicycle, which is our asset. It will be also shown in the balance sheet asset side. We have left government bonds. It is an investment we have made, that will be shown in the balance sheet liability side, asset side, sorry. And furniture, is sold at a loss. Furniture is sold at a loss. तो वो भी हमने नोट किया है, that furniture is sold at loss of 2,600. Here I have shown it. Furniture is sold at a loss. I hope it is clear now to everyone. Prepare the balance sheet, closing balance sheet, and that you have to show me. In the next class tomorrow, I will take some other numerical, other question, and we will solve it. 1 or 2 question every 1 or second class we will be solving on the board. And if you have any problem in any of the question, you ask me. But take it very seriously and don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Keep solving the numericals. Keep asking me your doubts, problems whenever you have time. Not in odd hours. Try to ask your problems in the evening time, 4 to 6. 4 to 6. Anybody wants to ask anything or any queries or any doubt? Any queries or any doubt to anyone? Satnam has joined very late. Satnam, turn your camera on. not listening. Okay, so complete this question and come back for the next class in the fourth period. Thank you. God bless all of you.